Hello everyone, thank you for joining us for the one training video of BFT GIOTTO software model. So this one I'm going to explain to you how to do the program and how to add the photo solar remotes and the lights and how to reset the control panel. So simply I will explain to you. And this period we have some control panel issue, so we went to repair. So already we repair it. So we open the control panel box, so you will see the display and 3 DAP switch and terminal connection. So that will be photo cells. I will attach the picture for the wiring diagram, so you will note it out. Twice time you will press the OK button, it will go the parameter. So you will find it out all the setup from the display. So last one you will cover the radio RIDO something mentioned, and then number 11 and 12 motor connection already defaultly it will be given to the, and number 50, 51, 52 is the photo cell power supply, and 60, 61 is the open command for push button, and 70, 71 and 2 it's available for the photo cell. Then for the program in the remote control, you have to win the radio menu RADIO. It's mentioned that logic, you have to press the 2 time key, then down key continue. You have to press from the remote 2 buttons, and then after you will set the remote control, then you have to press single button which button you want to program, so it will come OK. And thank you for watching. If you need more any doubts, just give me the command, so I will try to add the videos for the more doubt. Please subscribe my channels and give the like button and support us. If you have any more doubt from the BFT nice area, please call us. This company is Master Technovision LLC, is based on Dubai. We are located in Dubai. In description I will mention my number and about address, everything. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any more doubts, give the command, so I will try to add the more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.